Jason, you are incredibly misleading with this $150 an hour microcontroller talk. All you did was flash an LED. What do you even use this for? I flashed an LED 100,000 times. I'm going to charge $15 million for this project. Let me explain. First of all, my channel is designed to inspire STEM. That includes not only the younger generations coming up in electronics and science and engineering, things like that, but also people who are really stuck in a career that they don't like, or people who don't even have a career. That's who my channel's for. No, I'm not selling a course. I'm simply doing this stuff to try to make the world a better place. Do you believe that? Check out the Leonard Project, same thing. I make my money through billable time programming microcontrollers like this one. This little board here, in the other video we just did, all it does is it flashes this tiny little LED in the top corner. And it survived that fall too, by the way. It flashes it. It goes high, low, high, low. It does that every half second forever, as long as power is applied to it. Let me explain why that's important. There's probably a whole host of electronic gadgets you love to use every day. These all have microcontrollers in them. You have motor controllers, automatic soap pumps, air fresheners, heating element control. That's hair straighteners, curling irons, clothing irons, soldering irons, and sensors, reflective infrared, beam breaking infrared, and then ERDA, which is like a communication like your TV remote. Somebody has to make the prototypes of all this stuff. Well, you're looking at them. I'm the guy. I built this whole factory you see here over 20 years, and I got started by flashing a microcontroller just like this. And little by little, I accumulated equipment, machinery. I started solving my customers' problems, and before you know it, I have a massive facility. It's basically a factory, and I still do prototypes, and I get to charge $150 an hour. My paycheck is not $150 an hour, don't worry. I am not saying you just flash an LED and you get $150 an hour. No, you have to build this as a career over decades. It's Sunday in Mentor, Ohio, USA. It's like 6 a.m. and we just had a time change. Am I sleeping with my extra hour? No. I'm building my social media footprint, making videos for everyone. Wrapping up this inspirational rant here, I just want to say one more thing. The reason that microcontroller is super important is it has very low power. So you can run it off of something like a battery like this. You can actually do a spreadsheet and calculate based on how much the capacity is in like milliamp hours. You can calculate how long it will last for a given application. Like how long is the LED flashing that's on? Well, you know how many milliamps it's burning. You can actually total that up and know how long it'll last for a given battery size. That's what drives industrial design decisions. Do we use a AA? Do we use a D cell? Do we use a LR44, tiny little coin cell? You need my help in prototyping to figure that stuff out. That's where I come in. That's, again, how I charge that rate. Think about all that in the context of every video on my channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and help me in the comments too. I've got a lot of answering to do, and it's not always easy. I appreciate all of the positive input. Thanks so much. Adios.